Catherine Bernardo, super grateful matapos kilalanin sa South Korea, this is for you, this is for us. Taos-pusong nagpapasalamat ang box office queen at award-winning actress na si Catherine Bernardo matapos matanggap ang kanyang parangal sa South Korea. Para sa mga hindi pa masyadong knows, nagwagi siya ng Outstanding Asian Star Award sa Seoul International Drama Awards para sa kanyang mahusay na pagganap sa ABS-CBN drama series na Too Good to Be True. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang ex, dating Twitter, account, proud na ibinandera ni Catherine ang kanyang nakuhang tropeyo sa nasabing award-giving body. Kalakip niya ng caption na, "This is for you, this is for us. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po," white heart emoji, mensahe pa niya. Nangyari ang awarding ceremony noong September 23 kung saan nagkaroon ng pagkakataon ng aktres na ihayag ang kanyang acceptance speech. Ayon sa award-winning actress, ang kanyang natanggap na parangal ay dedicated para sa staff at crew ng nasabing 2022 TV show, pati na rin sa mga nurse at healthcare workers. Magugunitang ang naging role ni Catherine sa serye ay bilang Allison, isang nurse na nag-aalaga sa mga matatanda na may Alzheimer's disease. I fell in love with this project not only because of its storyline. It's always been more than just sharing a love story, but also spreading awareness on Alzheimer's disease and educating people about those who struggle with it and how we can offer them the best support they need, say niya. Patuloy niya, this project made me appreciate our nurses and healthcare workers, so it was more than just another TV show for me. When I initially found out about this nomination and recognition for my craft from such an esteemed awards-giving body, that in itself is already a win for me, dagdag ng aktres. Sambit pa niya, but being here tonight as someone who's receiving this award, along with my fellow awardees from Asia, I'm still overwhelmed. Everything feels surreal. Kasunod niya na ipinasalamatan na niya isa-isa ang team na gumawa ng nabanggit na serye. Please allow me to thank our brilliant directors behind Too Good to Be True, our writers, and to my brilliant co-actors, Mr. Daniel Padilla and Mr. Ronaldo Valdez. And to the team behind Too Good to Be True, I'd like to share this award with all of you, saad niya. Aniya pa, and to my fans in the Philippines, this is for you. You guys are a gem and I appreciate each and every one of you. Sa huli, sinabi ni Catherine na isang karangalan na marepresenta ang talento ng mga Pinoy. I am so proud and humbled to be on the stage representing Filipino talent and being a Filipino. This means so much to me, masayang sabi ng aktres.